On Saturday, the G20 Rome summit is in full swing. In his opening remarks, Italy's Prime Minister Mario Draghi stressed that the more challenges we face, the clearer that multilateralism is the best answer to the problems we face today. Discussions were held in the first session on Saturday that titled Global Economy and Global Health. And in the second and third sessions on Sunday, the leaders will focus their discussions on climate change and environment, as well as sustainable development.
The two-day summit, held both online and offline under the Italian presidency, focuses on the most pressing global challenges, with issues related to the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, and economic recovery topping the agenda. Created in 1999, the G20, comprising 19 countries plus the European Union, is the main forum for international cooperation on financial and economic issues. The group accounts for almost two-thirds of the world's population, over 80% of the global gross domestic product, GDP, and 75% of global trade.